Hey, great day to you. So does eBay integrate with Xero? And the answer is yes. And there's a special cool connector app that can help you integrate between eBay and Xero. It's called Link My Books. You're going to find a free trial link in the description of this video for Link My Books, along with free onboarding link, past coupon codes, and tutorial videos that show you how to use Link My Books. Now, Link My Books can help you with eBay integration to Xero or QuickBooks. So sync eBay payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, breaking down every sale, refund fee, and tax with precision. So basically, Link My Books is like accounting and bookkeeping software. So accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping. All sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Free trial link is in the description, free onboarding, best coupon codes, and the videos that show you how to use it. Another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used for eBay to Xero or QuickBooks, but also it helps you with Shopify integration to Xero, QuickBooks, Amazon, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Etsy, Square, and WooCommerce integration to Xero or QuickBooks. Pretty cool, I think. Many platforms, like a multi-platform kind of accounting bookkeeping software. Another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants or bookkeepers handling e-commerce sellers. If you are an e-commerce seller, in the description, I have for you this video where myself, great to meet you, Vova, I have an Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, we show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z for e-commerce sellers. 30-minute tutorial, and we go through all the most popular questions. We show you how to connect the tool. Pretty much everything for you to understand how to use it, how to start using it, how to make the most out of it is in this video, even though you also get a free onboarding through the link in the description, but this can help too. If you are an accountant or bookkeeper handling e-commerce clients on the platforms that we mentioned previously, there's another kind of video for you here, 41-minute tutorial, also with Daniel and myself. Daniel's the co-founder of Link My Books, so I have an Amazon seller. In this video, we show you how to make the most out of Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. 41-minute tutorial for you. I hope you enjoyed. It's linked in the description for you. So again, if you want to connect between eBay to Xero, Link My Books is a good option. Accounting and bookkeeping software. Check out free trial in the description, free onboarding link, best coupon code to save money, and the tutorial videos. Also, the links are going to be affiliate links. Means that if you ever do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you. But in this way, you can support my free content, and I'm truly grateful for that. You can also find me at vovaevan.com, my blog with over 600 posts for you for different topics in e-commerce and selling on Amazon and selling online. And thank you for watching this video. All the links from the video are in the description. I caught the headphones here, and I hope you catch a lot of business this year and grow your business. Good luck to you. Have a great year.